Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Ask Where to Save Each File Before Downloading option in Google Chrome. This feature allows you to choose a download location every time you save a file, instead of automatically downloading everything to the same folder. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and click Downloads. If you don't see the Downloads option, you can use the search bar at the top of the Settings page and search for Downloads. In the Downloads section, you'll see an option labeled Ask Where to Save Each File Before Downloading. By default, this option may be turned off. To enable it, simply click the toggle switch next to the option. Once the switch turns on, the feature is enabled immediately. You don't need to save any changes because Chrome automatically saves your settings. From now on, whenever you download a file, Chrome will display a Save As window. You can then choose the exact folder where you want to save the file before the download begins. This is especially useful if you frequently download different types of files and want to organize them into separate folders. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Ask Where to Save Each File Before Downloading option in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.